to all the listeners out there. So today I'm gonna take out the read for all the Pisces for the month of August 2020. Let's see what we have coming up for all the Pisceans out there for the month of August 2020. I think I didn't mention August before, right? I think I missed out the August part in whatever I said previously, but it's the reading. Oh my god, Pisces, what's wrong with you? So much energetic. Okay, let's see what we have coming up for all the Pisces for the month of August. Okay, Pisces, these all wants to come out, but I'm not gonna take all of them. There were like too many cards. What's wrong with you? Why is your energy? Why are you all so energetic at the moment? I think the new moon's been so good for all of you, huh? Okay, just a little reminder, I do not read reversals due to some reason. Maybe I'll do in the future, not at the moment. Okay, perfect. So in the recent past, for all my Pisces out there, I see the Pisces quite guarded. So all the Pisces were quite guarded in their life. Like they know what they have in their hand. Like they know what they have. They know their power. But you were quite guarded. Yeah. You kept yourself quite guarded from the whole world. Because you knew your power. It's not like you were upset or something. It's like that you knew that you're quite powerful. You're powerful in your mind, you're powerful in your intuition, you're powerful in your memory, and you were quite guarded about that thing. And once you put your guards down, that's what it shows in the present situation. Once you put the guards down, your fortune took a turn. Your destiny took a major turn over in your life. Like all the angels, you just had all the angels, spirit guides coming your way to protect you, to be with you all the time. Maybe you were a little bit, again I see in the present situation, again you put the guards up. What's up with you, Pisces? Let me clarify this. Okay, let me clarify. Oh, Pisces, what's up with you? See, as I said, you're very energetic. You have your guards up, but your energy is so high. Have such a high energy. Let me clarify. Let me clarify the past first. Okay, I don't read the reversals again. Okay. Mm-hmm. Now I see. Okay. Okay. Let's see these many and then we'll see if we need any more clarifiers. Okay. So in your recent past, in your recent past, you had your guards up for sure about something. When you tried to put the guards down by pushing them hard, you actually had to push really hard to put all the guards down. Definitely there was abundance. You got abundance in every single thing in your recent past. You got, I don't see a lot of abundance in love, but I do see a lot of abundance in other aspects of life, maybe like career wise, financially. Yeah. And you knew who you are. You got that strength. You were in your full strength in your recent past. You knew where you are going. You knew your path. You knew which way you were supposed to go. And then you had all the, we say, you had all the fortune. You got that justice from the divine. You got the message also from the divine about the certain, okay, two kinds of things are going on here side by side. It's your career or your studies, I would say. Maybe it can be, we would just say it's career, okay? So your career and your love life is actually going side by side, which is coming up in the read. So as per your career, if I see, you knew where you're going. You knew where you're going in terms of your career, or if you didn't know, you got the hint from divine and you started walking on that path. But still you had your guards up in your recent past about the love life. Maybe something happened in the past that kept your guards up. But you had abundance in your career, or maybe finances, or maybe you had abundance in finances, career. So it's not like you were completely disheartened. Like something in your life was well. Maybe not love, but other things were on track in your life. And then you gained the strength. In the recent past, I see you gaining the strength. I see you standing in your power. I see you having all the strength inside you. You knew where you're going. You knew which way you're supposed to go, and you knew which people were pulling you down, and you eventually cut those people out of your life. Maybe you must have felt a little bit disheartened about it, but yeah, you actually felt. See, in the present situation, it shows that you felt a little bit disheartened. Maybe it was a relationship that you cut off. It gave you a little bit of sorrow. But in terms of your career and in terms of your whatever, if you are a student, if you're studying something, in terms of your career, you had all the divine powers within you to achieve it. You knew where you're going. You had everything. You had the power in your hand. And in the present situation, it shows that you were a little bit emotionally balanced. Maybe, it's because of, exactly, now I can understand. It's because of the person that you cut off from your life. You felt a little bit disheartened. Maybe you were thinking, why did that person did that to me? And then you actually protected your cup. You actually protected yourself. In the present situation, I do see some kind of sorrow inside you still. I see you dealing with that sorrow, but when I clarified it actually shows that you will eventually be balanced. You will be emotionally balanced for sure. And you know how to protect your cup. You know how to protect your heart now. You don't You are pretty much in your own strength. You know in which way you have to go in terms of your career, and you know in which way you have to go in terms of your love life as well. Both of the things are going side by side in your read. It's not like you are just one sided. Some of the other reads I was doing, and some of were completely on like uh, some of the readings were completely on the love life, but in this one I do see both things side by side. Maybe it's just for one person, but everything's fine. You in the present situation I do see a little bit of sorrow about certain thing, but you have all the divine powers. You have the balance. You have the balance between two situations. Maybe your love and career, you are balanced both ways. In the present situation, I see you're balanced. And in your near future, definitely, I do see some travels for you. I do see maybe you are transforming your house, or maybe you're traveling to a new place, or maybe you're having a new house, or you're going to maybe you're just shifting or doing something. Yeah, I do see a new start in your life. There's a new start that it shows. There's a new start. Maybe it could be with a travel in the recent future I'm talking about. It could be that you're gonna travel, or maybe in your love life it's a new start of your love life. Maybe a relationship is coming your way. Yeah, I do see a relationship coming your way. I do see a new person coming your way, and that person's coming quite fast. And the person that's coming your way, you will have your guards up again. You'll have the guards up. You know which way you're going, but you'll still have your guards up. You will still try to protect yourself as much as you can. Let me just clarify, if you will go forward with the person that's coming in your life. Yeah. Perfect. I do see abundance. Abundance coming your way. All the obstacles are gone by itself. The person coming your way is getting abundance into your life, and then the person is also offering you some love. This person is actually there. This person knows your worth. This person has the strength to offer you love, and the person is right at your doorstep. It's not like the person, I would say, is really far away. The person knows your worth, and then eventually you have all the power, you have all the abundance, you have overcome all the obstacles of your life. Whatever battles you were going through, you have simply overcome all those battles, and now finally with this person you are gonna say, I have overcome all the battles, I dealt with it, I did all that, and you will be so happy about it. Let me just clarify what I'm thinking about this is right or not. Let me just clarify this. Please clarify it. Yeah. Yes. Perfect. Okay. So, definitely it's whichever person it is, I do see an overseas travel for you with this person. It is like you got from this level to this level right away, but you can say here, you can say with all the power, you can say with all your strength, this is what I always wanted in my life. This is the person that I always wanted in my life. And this person is very stable, emotionally stable. This person knows your worth now. maybe in the past that I'm seeing that this person didn't know what uh, what he is getting. That's why you were not able. Yeah, I do see this past person. This is not a new relationship. It's actually the same person coming in your life. It is the same person coming back in your life, but now this person knows your worth. Now this person knows who they are going towards for sure. Yes, Pisces. I think every time for Pisces, I do see a past relationship coming up. Every time, like even with the weekly readings that I was doing, there was a past person coming up for Pisces. And in this reading as well, see, we have this person right at the doorstep, recent future. This person, or maybe this travel is also for this person. Okay, okay. It could be a water sign for. It could be a water sign. It could be a fellow water sign. Let me just clarify this person. Is it the same old relationship that you're thinking about? Is it the same person that's coming in your life? Okay. Okay. So in the past, this person's energy, what I see is in the past, this person's energy was deceptive. That's why the divine did not wanted this person in your life. But now when this person is coming, the path is straight. Do not think too much. Maybe this time you're gonna think too much about this situation, but don't think too much. The person's energy was deceptive in the past, not right now. Yeah. Yeah, see this person, that's the reason why divine didn't bring this person back into your life that time. The divine wanted this person to have some lessons in their life so they can actually know what they are getting. And you also needed to go through a lot. I won't say that you needed to go through a lot, but yeah, before I think you didn't have your guards up at all, and now you will be. Now you are very stable. I would say emotionally stable, and you're like an angel right now. You're like an angel, spirit. You know, all the spirit guides are surrounding you. All the angels are around you to protect you at the moment. You have grown so much spiritually. You have stabilized yourself and your mind so much that you needed this time. Even this person needed this time, and definitely this person was deceptive before, but now when he's coming in your life, he knows your worth. And you will be like, with this, you will be like, see, I always said. Maybe you're just gonna go to a person, or maybe you'll just say to yourself, see, I always wanted it to happen. I always wanted this thing to happen, and this thing had to happen in my life. How can it not happen? How can I go any other way when this thing is coming back again and again in my life? See? That's what the recent future says for you. New start. Definitely a new start. A very perfect reading for all the Pisceans out there. Perfect, Pisceans. So finally you will gain something in your love life. Because Pisceans, I know it's very hard for them to get into these kind of love situations, because some of the Pisceans, even I'm a Piscean myself, so I catch a lot of energies. I have to keep myself emotionally stable all the time by meditating and by being at peace. Okay, so just 3 cards for all the Pisces that will be for these 10 days of the July month. Just for these 10 days of the July month, and it's a bonus for you since this has been such a perfect read for the Pisces that, oh my god, I did so many reads for the month of August, but it hasn't been so energetic. Like Pisceans are always energetic. Actually, Piscean energy is so much energetic all the time. So just 3 cards for what's gonna happen in the next 10 days. I mean, it's not even 10 days. What's gonna happen in the next 7 or 8 days of the July month for all the Pisces out there. Just a bonus for all you guys out there. Just the fellow Pisceans. See, we have the king coming. Okay, so you are ready with your... Okay. So we have a very stable person coming in your life. The person is stable emotionally, financially, career-wise. Everything's good about the person. Don't think too much, and it says that in the next 10 days, and then you have abundance. We have the abundance card here. You have abundance in your love life. This person's gonna give you abundance. Please let me just clarify this card. Okay, and underneath the deck, new start. See, we have a new start underneath the deck. Pisceans, your intuition is really strong at the moment. Use your intuition. You know who's coming towards you. You know every single thing. So underneath the deck, we have the star card. Your intuition is very strong. You have a new start in your life. And while I clarified this card, it says that what your intuition is saying, you can see a new house. You can actually see, it's not like a new house, but you can see it could be like you are going into a new house, maybe getting married, then going to a new house, or maybe simply just shifting to a new house, but with this person. And then again, abundance here, abundance in your new house too. The new house that you created yourself. You will have all the balance in your life, all the emotional balance, every single thing. This person is like just at your doorstep, Pisces. See, you have all the fortune in your hands. You don't have to do anything. You have gone through all the trials, every single thing. Now it's just time for you to enjoy this abundance in your life, Pisces. Finally, after a very long time, it's gonna be a good time for Pisces, and I am really, really happy to hear that, to see that. Okay, so that was the reading for all the Pisces out there, and I hope you like my readings. If you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified for all the future readings that I post on my channel. Thank you so much. Take care and enjoy your life. Bye bye.